Yo, addicted to the charts, back at you with some more informative information. Hey, check this out. For y'all that trade and forget to check the news, I got something for you. Let's go to the computer. So for those of you who use Google Chrome, and I would recommend everybody use Google Chrome because it has this feature on here. I don't know if other web browsers have this feature, but Google Chrome is the browser to use. So what you want to do is you want to go to your three little black dots right here in the top right corner. You want to click on that. You want to come down to extensions. You find your extensions, you go to manage extensions. Okay, in the extensions, you see the search tab right here. You want to type in FX book. Okay, since I already got it, I guess it's not gonna show up. But you want to find or you could type in economic calendar. Then you will see it pop up. You want to install that as an extension. Once you install that as an extension, you want to turn on extension made to read and change site information or run in background. You want to turn that on. Pin to toolbar, you want to turn that on. That's pretty much it. And once you go back out to your regular web browser, you'll notice you will see it up here in the corner. You'll see it in the tab right here, top right corner. You see the FX. You click there. You got your all your news that's gonna come out. Okay, so once you have that in the corner, 5 minutes before news comes out, you'll automatically get a drop down menu showing what news coming out, and you'll have a countdown clock to how long before that news comes out. That way you will never miss any major news that's coming out. So you can't sit there and say, oh, well, what happened when you see the charts go crazy and all? You'll know what's going on before it happens. So I always use Google Chrome. I added that extension in there, and I don't have to worry about getting caught off guard when the news comes out. So there we have it for today. Some more informative information for you guys. Y'all stay tuned. I'll keep them coming. Anything I know that can help any other trader, I will be posting it, making a video about it. Have a great weekend.